The Euro-USD bears have continued to hold firm this resistance zone of 1.1750 to 1.1755 area. Now, last week's closing sections move that caused this rally above this level was rapidly rejected, and the price closed below the level, still signifying that there is potential for the price to move down to this area to fill up the imbalances and grab some liquidities right here, just as I've stated from the beginning of my update of the Euro-USD this period. Now, I stated previously that yes, the market has just resumed an uptrend. I was also pointing out that while we're seeing this change in structure, we are still having some imbalances that was left by this move to the upside. And that imbalance has to be filled because the market lost filling imbalances and also the market seek liquidity. So where are the liquidities? The liquidities are below lows as the market is creating these lows right here. It is creating the lows because they know that so many amateur traders will begin to take buy positions from here and put their stop losses here, and that the amateur traders will be neglecting this imbalance that is right here. Even below here, there is pockets of liquidity here, which the market makers may seek also. As a result, I've maintained that we are still most likely going to see the price drop into these areas. And if you watch my previous videos, I also pointed out that since the market broke this falling trend line at this point, we've not seen a retest of the trend line. Why? The trend line serves as a resistance and as a support. When price is below it, it will be serving as a resistance, just like we saw here and here. When the price was below it, it was serving as a resistance. Now that the price has broken above it, it is now serving as a support, and it needs to be tested to ascertain the strength for it to prove that it's holding as a support. And that testing has not occurred. So the market most likely is coming to test it at this point. So the market makers has to move the price up to set up enough liquidity here. This is what you must understand, that the market makers only fill up their orders with the liquidity. So when they want to buy, they create enough scenario that will make so many traders begin to buy before then and put their stop losses below those areas. Now, the stop loss in a buy position is simply a sell order. And if the buyers want to buy, where do they go to? They go to where there are much sellers. So they are not getting enough sellers here. They have to look for the area where so many newbie traders or amateur traders will be putting their stop losses. And that will be below these lows. Taking any buy position from here is too early. So what do you do? Like I've been saying, you have to wait for the price to finish its work and finish its work before you will join. And also, the market is trading in this ascending channel, and we've seen this upside fake out. And a fake out in one direction will lead to an extended move to the opposite direction. So this upside fake out will lead price to this downside to complete the symmetry. And that also is confirming that this price will be moving down towards this area. So what do you do? Best option for you is to just wait for the price to come down here to look for buy opportunities here. Patience is what you require to wait for the price to come into these areas to look for buy opportunities just below this point. And if you must sell, then your stop loss will be just anywhere above here while you are targeting this low right here. So that is just the update on Euro-USD. I still maintain that as long as these imbalances are here, the institutional buyers will not take any buy until they fill up these imbalances and grab the liquidities just below here. So they are just doing this to create lots of liquidity here before they could take their buy positions. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification so that you don't miss out when I release my next video. Thank you for watching, and I am rooting for you. Do have a great day.